So I just created a course on advanced C++ programming for writing a highly performant applications. It is fairly detailed, and you learn lots of performance tricks, techniques, technologies, as well as tools. You'll learn about like measurement strategies as well. You'll learn about C++ standard libraries, C standard libraries. You'll learn about lots of other reading material, what in addition to what it's already given here. C++ and the performance space is vast, so the learning never actually ends. But it is still a very comprehensive 3 hour packed with full contents. Let's look at the course materials. The first two lectures are for preview. You can see the whole thing. Basically, the first one is the motivation, like what what are the um, like guiding factors. Why should you take this course? Basically, the second one is a very detailed overview of the course. You see, this is like almost 16 minutes. So like an overall course is like 3 hours. So you can imagine like how detailed that overview is. After each lecture you have quizzes. You can test your understanding. Not all the questions from the in the quizzes are from the lecture itself. You have to do some thinking also, but most of them are. Then you have general performance pointers, like things to keep in mind, things to do practice on daily basis, things to do only in certain situation where performance is really a issue. Then like data driven optimizations, measurement techniques, because no conversation about performance is complete without actually sharing like the experimental results. So you want to learn about how to measure the program itself as well. There are pitfalls, you have to learn about them as well. Modern C++ features, C++ 11, 14, and 17 features are there. You'll learn those features which help you with performance. So this is not a comprehensive C++ course. It is about features that helps you with um, performance sensitive applications. Then lots of compiler techniques, compiler flags that will help you improve the performance of your application, things to keep in mind while looking for performance pitfalls. Then the C++ libraries. This is also very important because you are not going to write all the code in your application. You're indirectly using a lot of abstractions uh, from the C++ standard library. They have a lot of highly performant data structures, but there are some issues as well, so you want to know about them. Then the C library, which are widely used, you like even if you don't want, you are actually using a lot of C library functions, so you want to learn about them as well. Then other open source libraries which you can use for your particular application. So yeah, these are the like six sections for this course. What are the like basic requirements? So this is not a beginner level course. If you're just barely starting to learn C++, this is probably not super helpful. What it helps, like the target audiences are like of different kind here. The first one is of course people who have like taken some formal education on like on C++, like you've taken a semester course, then you might be able to get a lot of understanding of this course. If you're a professional, like you're working in industry for a couple of years, you are going to be benefited the most. If you have been working for like 5 6 years, there's still decent amount of material for you, and probably you will appreciate more because you might have already um, found some of the performance issues, and you might have like struggled, like got into lot of brainstorming on how to improve performance, and you might find a lot of useful things there as well. So yeah, it is directed to that section of the software professionals. So yeah, do check out. It is on Udemy. I'll share the link in the description. Thank you.